When there's a rip in the fabric or a hole, that is one thing our sewing machines can take care of. Even though you've probably bought this machine for all of its creative opportunities and the embroidery, from time to time we have to hunker down and mend a few things. But have no fear, in the utility menu A, down towards stitch 33, 34, and 35, there are built-in mending stitches. So anytime you see this little symbol come up, that's the reverse button, and you will be using that to tell the machine when to turn around. So it wants foot number letter A, so we'll go ahead and add that on. If you have a rip, what we're going to do is start kind of, and we'll just pretend it's kind of here, we're going to need to start in the upper left corner of that opening. This stitch is going to be as wide as the presser foot. So if it's wider than your foot, you are going to need to take multiple passes to cover it from left to right and also top to bottom here. So here's how it's going to go. As you start down the first row, touch the reverse button when you get to the length you need it to be. At that point, it has counted that it went down, say, 7 stitches, and now it's going back 7 stitches, moving the needle position all the way from the left side all the way to the right side. If you want, push the start-stop button. It'll do it by itself because it will end when it gets all the way to the far left needle or right needle position with some locks, and then you can go ahead and cut. This way, if you do need to continue on, you can just pick right back up at that top left corner and keep moving that over and over. But look how nice and professional that looks. It's almost like it weaves the fabric right back together, and you won't even notice there was a rip to start with.